Sometimes when you type a formula in Excel and need to select the cell right above it, you may see a formula overlap covering exactly what you need. If this happens, the font might be too big or the row is too small, but don't worry. We have 4 ways for you to fix this and quickly. This can be fixed by resizing the rows in 4 different ways. The first one is by placing the mouse in between the row headers and double-click on it. Please watch the rest of the video for more advanced tricks. If you have just a few lines with this error, this will do, but what if you have multiple items in the same worksheet with this issue? Then let me show you the second way, which is to highlight the whole sheet by selecting the triangle tab on the upper left-hand corner and then go in between any of the row headers and double-click on that. Now I can select all of the cells that I need and divide properly in Excel, as you can see here. What if you discover that more than one worksheet is also creating this error? Before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. The third fix is by selecting one of the tabs, hold the Control key, and select the other tabs that you need. Once again, select the triangle tab on the upper left-hand corner and double-click in between the row headers. Let's kick it up a notch with our fourth trick. What if you want to fix the entire worksheet? Here's the fourth method. First, place your mouse on top of any of the tabs. Right-click on it so you can see the tabs menu. Choose Select All Sheets at the bottom. And once again, resize the rows until this error disappears. It's always a good idea to double-check any of the worksheets to make sure that now these cells are not going to overlap again. So that's it. Very good. Please let us know your comments and feedback. And remember, we can train your business in everything Excel. Thank you once again for your support and see you in the next video. Goodbye.